Hello guys, welcome to Co Academy. Guys, in this video, we'll be talking about a very confusing concept in legal terminology, and that is the difference between an accessory and accomplice. Now, you often hear about the news in the media, and you say that all the accessories and accomplices will be taken to task. But uh, what exactly is the difference between the two? I mean, why are these two different words used when describing a crime or anything? So, in this video, we'll be talking about exactly that. Okay. Now, the main difference, accomplice is someone who is also present at the scene and helps the principal commit the crime. Let's suppose Mr. X is a principal offender. Okay, he pulled off a bank robbery. Okay, Mr. X robbed the bank, and he has got a friend, Mr. Y, and Mr. Y was also there with Mr. X when they were robbing the bank. Okay, when they were robbing the bank, and Mr. X sort of helped Mr. Y, who is the accomplice, helped Mr. X in breaking open the vault. Okay, he helped him at the scene of the crime. Okay, he helped him to open the vault in which the cash was there. So in this case, Mr. Y is the accomplice to Mr. X. Okay, whereas accessory is one who helps the principal commit the crime. That is, Mr. X, let's suppose he helped Mr. Y, he helped Mr. X to commit the crime, but their involvement occurs before or after the crime itself, and they are not present at the crime scene. So Mr. X's friend, Mr. Y, he helped him, but he was not there during the crime. Okay, he did not go to the bank with him and break him open the vault. He, let's suppose, helped him before or after the crime. Now, before crime, he, let's suppose, helped him in drafting the blueprints to the bank and how where the different vaults were situated. So Mr. Y, in this case, he's an accessory because he helped him before the crime. Similarly, in another case, let's suppose if Mr. Y helps Mr. X to hide the money in his house after the robbery has been committed, then in this case also Mr. Y would be an accessory and not an accomplice, because Mr. Y was not present at the scene of the crime. He only helped him in the first example before the crime, and in the second example after the crime. So Mr. Y in this case were accessory and not accomplice. I hope it clarified your confusion about the difference between the accomplice and accessory. Remember, accomplice is someone who is present with the principal offender at the time of the crime, whereas accessory is not present at the time of the crime. He helped the principal offender before or after the crime. Okay, so that's the main difference. I hope you like this video, and if you do like the video, do subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you.